Have you ever wondered why a single loaf of bread carries such a premium price tag? Today, we are uncovering the specific ingredients and rigorous certifications that define Dave's Killer Bread. Dave's Killer Bread is not just a popular brand of whole grain products sold in the United States. It represents a commitment to avoiding genetically modified food through non-GMO. Project Verified Certification. Every single loaf is crafted with USDA-certified organic ingredients and non-GMO grains, ensuring that you are eating a product packed with seeds and high-quality organic matter. This dedication to purity means the bread is strictly free of artificial preservatives like calcium propionate, sodium benzoate, and sorbic acid often found in standard supermarket loaves. Beyond the loaf, the brand offers a wide variety of options, including bagels, English muffins, and even fun snacks, with every choice also being certified kosher. The higher price tag you see at the register is directly attributed to sourcing only the very best organic and non-GMO ingredients while maintaining these strict quality control standards. In summary, from its absence of GMOs to its lack of artificial preservatives, Dave's Killer Bread proves that prioritizing health and quality in every grain choice comes with a cost. Now you know exactly what makes this bread different. Have you tried their organic bagels or English muffins? Let us know your favorite variety in the comments below.